Hedge fund billionaire Bill Ackman of Pershing Square Capital is trying to be the next Warren Buffett. And here's why. Yesterday, he released a letter for his bid for Howard Hughes Holdings. Although a little complex, here it is in plain English. The deal involves Pershing Square creating a subsidiary company that will then acquire 11.8 million shares of HHH, Howard Hughes Holdings. He announced that he will be acquiring these shares at a premium of $85 a share. Coincidentally, the share price of Howard Hughes Holdings exploded yesterday, up over 9.5%, and ended the day at $78 a share. This is not the first time that Ackman owns Howard Hughes shares. Actually, he first purchased HHH stock way back in 2010. In Pershing's last report, he owned over 18.8 million shares, or $1.4 billion. If this bid gets approved by a shareholder vote, it'll increase his stake by over $1 billion and increase his holdings up to 61 to 69%. Currently, right now, he only owns about 38% of Howard Hughes Holdings. Compared to the overall market, HHH stock hasn't had a very good past year. However, this most recent quarter, things were looking way up. With quarterly revenue growing over 43% year over year, positive net income comparative to a minus 544 million loss back in Q3 of 2023, and an exploding EPS and EBITDA. Along with this, a profit margin of 30%, which is up from a net loss in the prior quarter. So what's so special about this deal? Remember how Warren Buffett got started? Well, he acquired a small textile mill called Berkshire Hathaway by creating a subsidiary underneath Pershing Square that will then acquire Howard Hughes Holdings. Hopefully that business will create enough cash in which he can acquire more businesses. Ultimately, this game plan is shifting away from his traditional hedge fund manager, buying and selling stocks, speculative assets, and trading in and out of markets on a frequent basis. It's pretty obvious that Ackman is trying to become the modern day Warren Buffett, in which he holds on businesses that he perceives as good for the long haul. Those that don't know, using Autopilot, you can trade alongside Bill Ackman, Warren Buffett, Michael Burry, and many other famous hedge fund managers. You can connect your own brokerage account, put whatever amount of capital you want on whatever person you want to track. We're going to keep you updated to see if Ackman ends up going through with this bid and whether or not it's going successful. Make sure to follow for more all hedge fund activity and stock market updates.